Leela, Prakash and the rest of the team were like super kind. In fact, there was like a bunch of brothers looking after us, to be honest. The cake, soup, 3-course dinners every night, like fresh meat, never really the same thing served. If we wanted the same thing served, we could have had it, but we never got bored. The food was always excellent. It was really, like, I don't know how they did it, but yeah, it was really good. So it was excellent. We got to the base camp and I wasn't expecting, like I was expecting a tent, but there's a lovely mattress there. We had brought up our own air blow up mattresses, but no need for them. The food was also excellent. You had a full dining tent, again a 3-course meal, even like a toilet set up. It was excellent. And then our guide Dawa was superb. To get comfortable with him, looking at his technical knowledge, but he was excellent. Really nice individual. Yeah, highly recommend the service by Montrose at Base Camp Lands.
Anyone interested Mount Island Peak expedition and mountaineering can contact us via email or phone us to book it. And we are waiting for you to join us for such unforgettable expedition and mountaineering. Atithi Devo Bhava. Guest is God.